Minecraft Crazy Girl, and soon I'll probably be doing a let's play with a few friends, maybe my sister. Depends if she gets the probably the full version. And yeah, they'll probably be able to have the speaker and everything. And that will be fun. Also, let's play is going to be on this seed, the seed right there, but that's not the real seed. It's called punchwood.com, stuff like that, and it comes to this place. I've already found diamond because there's a glitch going on. Found it over here. This is just a little peek. Okay, this is it. And I fall down there. I won't be able to get up because it glitched. Just let me fly. Oh, I did not mean. Oh, there we go. Some diamond. Let's have a look how many is there. And also, there's also more stuff. Okay, let's have a look. Oh no! 1, 2, 3, 4, and I guess there's only 4. Like normally, there's normally 4. Just gotta quickly kill myself. Yeah, so that's mostly all. Punchwood Island, that is it. And I fell there. I want to know where I spawned. So I spawned in water, but that's not where I spawned in the thing. I think I've probably done it wrong. It's probably Punchwood Island or something. I think it is punchwood.com, because Punchwood, they did it. Yeah, this is Punchwood Island. If you want to watch, it's from Paul Saucer, and watch his videos. They're really good. I want to do it after him with his family, but I'm not going to be with my family. I'm going to be with my friends. So yeah, that's mostly all. I don't know what to do next. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's mostly all. Minecraft Crazy Girl.